No matter how much money we make, the one thing we can't buy is more time. The software I'm about to show you is going to give you the ability to get more out of the time that we do have. What we're looking at here is Project Doctor. And what I'm going to do is show you how awesome this software is and how it's going to save you a bunch of time. First, you'll see a notification. I actually just sent this moments ago through the system. It's right here, and all employees will be listed below. Whether you've got 3 or 300, it makes no difference. And you can send to any combination of whatever the users are. And this is valuable because you can tell people they did a great job, or tell them it took them way too long to do this, that, or the other task. So today's priorities, these are a current project. So let's go to calendar, and you can see that today is packed. What this is basically the steps I need to go through to write sales copy. So when I go to projects, let's say I want to do a new project. So let's create a new one. We'll call this link building. And then link building 1, create project. So it's built into my list of stuff that needs to get done. And you can see that it automatically spread out between different dates, and that's because of how I set up the template. I set it up to function that way. So now we've got all these different things that are already spread out throughout our calendar and will be waiting for us on the date that they need to be done. So this is really simple, really effective. If you hover over any of them, they pop up so you can see what it is. And then when you want to get stuff done, go into projects and simply go through. Turn on the timer so you can track how effective you're being. And then as you finish each piece, you just tick it off. Very simple. So when you're done with your project, you can see all these things are accomplished. Now, if you have something you need to let someone know about related to something you completed, leave a comment. Very easy. So for your staff, this is a really effective way for them to communicate what they're doing and whether it's working for them. Now, none of these are due yet, so I can move right on and go back, create a new project, or even create some new templates. Templates are really simple. You can base one template on another. So for instance, you realize there's 3 more tasks that are part of testing your sales copy. So you can create a new task set based on a previous one. Click Create Template and click there to be able to see what the task templates are. You can go through and edit any of them or add new items. The offset is the date. So if I want these things to be done immediately, meaning instantly available and instantly assigned, I'd have the offset at 0. For the link building one, I have the offset spread out because I don't want to do all of that at once. So really simple, really effective. So we just shut down the clock. When you go here, it shows you the project, which of course you can change right there. And then it shows you who did it and how long they worked on it. For me, it was 2 minutes. So 1 minute and 42 seconds. It gives you the ability to analyze who's doing what, how long it's taking, and whether it's the right amount of time or not, just by having a conversation with the individual, or this can be used to analyze your own stuff. Now, in the single user version, the users aren't an option. However, in the multi-user version, you can add as many users as you want. The other big difference for the single user version is that the notifications are now reminders, since you really can't send them to anyone else since it's only for one user. Otherwise, the functionality is exactly the same. All the other features operate exactly as what I've shown you so far. So how is this going to save you time? Well, by creating your task templates, you can literally outline your entire day, anything you need to do, the kind of things you need to do over and over again. You create your templates, you go into the system, you track how effective you are, and you get things done. The question you have to ask yourself now is whether this software is going to actually make a difference for you. And the answer is yes. All you have to do is use it. It's that simple. The software is really easy to install. It's even easier to use. You can use it on your phone or tablet, so that way your computer's actually open to do the work that needs to get done. And you can use Project Doctor to get more done in way less time. Get it now.